You water them. You fertilize them. You see plenty of green leaves and beautiful flowers. But weeks go by and you're still not harvesting tomatoes. If that sounds familiar, don't worry, you're not alone. Many gardeners end up with healthy-looking tomato plants that simply refuse to produce fruit. The good news is that there is always a reason. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the 7 most common reasons tomato plants fail to produce tomatoes, along with simple solutions you can start using right away. Let's get started. Reason 1. Poor pollination. Tomato flowers must be pollinated before fruit can develop. Unlike cucumbers, tomatoes are mostly self-pollinating, but they still need movement. Wind, bees, and even vibration help release pollen inside the flower. Signs. Flowers appear healthy. Flowers drop off. No fruit develops. Fix. Gently shake flowering branches. Encourage pollinators. Avoid spraying insecticides during bloom. Reason 2. Too much nitrogen. This is one of the biggest mistakes gardeners make. Nitrogen promotes leafy growth. Too much nitrogen gives you huge plants, dark green leaves, and very few tomatoes. Signs. Dense foliage. Rapid leaf growth. Little fruit production. Fix. Use a fertilizer designed for flowering and fruiting plants. Look for fertilizers with lower nitrogen, higher phosphorus, and adequate potassium. Reason 3. Temperature stress. Tomatoes can be surprisingly sensitive to temperature. Problems occur when daytime temperatures exceed 90 degrees Fahrenheit, 32 degrees Celsius. Night temperatures remain above 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 degrees Celsius, or drop below 55 degrees Fahrenheit, 13 degrees Celsius. When temperatures become extreme, flowers may drop before fruit develops. Fix. Mulch around plants. Water consistently. Provide afternoon shade during heat waves. Reason 4. Inconsistent watering. Tomatoes hate extremes. Both underwatering and overwatering create stress. Signs. Flower drop, blossom end rot, cracked fruit, and reduced fruit set. Fix. Aim for deep, consistent watering. Water the soil rather than the leaves. Mulch helps maintain moisture levels. Reason 5. Lack of sunlight. Tomatoes are sun-loving plants. They need minimum of 6 hours of direct sunlight. Ideal, 8 to 10 hours daily. Without enough sunlight, plants struggle to produce flowers and fruit. Fix. Move containers. Prune nearby shade sources where possible. Choose the sunniest area available. Reason 6. Improper pruning. Many gardeners either never prune or overprune. Both can reduce production. Common mistake is removing too many healthy leaves. Leaves are solar panels. They provide the energy needed to produce fruit. Fix. Remove diseased leaves, damaged leaves, and unnecessary suckers on indeterminate varieties. Avoid excessive pruning. Reason 7. Poor soil health. Even perfect watering and sunlight cannot compensate for poor soil. Healthy soil provides nutrients, beneficial microbes, and proper drainage. Signs. Slow growth, pale leaves, poor flowering, and low yields. Fix. Add compost, aged manure, and organic matter. Test your soil when possible. Healthy soil leads to healthy harvests. Many gardeners focus only on growing bigger plants. But bigger plants do not always mean more tomatoes. The goal isn't more leaves. The goal is more flowers, successful pollination, and healthy fruit development. Keep your plants balanced and productive rather than simply large. Conclusion. If your tomato plants aren't producing fruit, don't give up. In most cases, the problem comes down to one or more of the issues we covered today. Poor pollination, excessive nitrogen, temperature stress, inconsistent watering, lack of sunlight, improper pruning, or poor soil health. Take a close look at your plants, identify which issue is affecting them, and make the necessary adjustments. Often, a small change can lead to a dramatic increase in production. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more practical gardening tips, growing guides, and solutions to common garden problems. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.